Good morning friends. General Science Class 8 Chapter 4 Current, Electricity and Magnetism Part 15 Electromagnet. In this part we learn about the electromagnet. When electric current flows through the copper wire, then magnetism is produced around the wire. This is a magnetic effect of electric current. When an electric current flows through the copper coil wound around the iron screw, the magnetism is produced in the copper coil and in the iron screw. As soon as the current stops, the magnetism in copper coil and screw vanishes. Magnetism disappears. An electromagnet requires continuous supply of current through the electromagnet to maintain magnetic field. This system of copper coil and iron screw are called as electromagnet. Let's see an activity. Take a 1 meter long flexible copper wire having resistive coating and wind it tightly on a long iron screw. Connect the two ends of wire in a circuit as seen. In this circuit, electric cell, plug key and bulb is connected. Keep a 2 to 3 pins or nails near the screw. When the current flows through the circuit, then the screw attains a magnetism, and due to this it attracts iron pins towards itself. But when I open the key, then the screw does not attract the iron pins. This system of coil and the screw is called as electromagnet. Uses of electromagnet. Electromagnets are used in electric bell. Electromagnets are used in electric motors and electric generators. Electromagnets are used in loudspeaker and headphones. Electromagnets are used in magnetic cranes. Electromagnets are used in galvanometer and voltmeter. Electromagnets are used in scientific research to produce large amount of magnetic field. Thank you very much.